Okay, so for Screencastify, the first thing you have to do is get the extension. The extension will end up being up here in the top right corner. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Chrome store. So you can literally just type in Chrome store at the top. Click on the first link, and then you're going to search for Screencastify. Okay, that's how you spell it. And then hit enter. Okay, it's the top one that comes up. Now I already have it installed, so it already says added as an extension. You will have a button that looks like this, and you'll hit add to Chrome. So once it's added and you go through the steps to add it, it will end up popping up here, and it looks like a little pink arrow. So when you want to use it and as a screen recorder, you have up whatever you want to record. So if you want to record something, say from Drive, if you go to your Drive and you have an activity here that you know that you want to record for your students, you can bring it up. For example, I'll just bring up a homework assignment. And if this is something that I want to show my kids and explain to them, you have it up on your screen. Then you click on the little pink arrow. It will ask you for permission since it's your first time using it. For your microphone, make sure you say yes. You do not need to do the webcam unless you really want to show your face. I don't usually do that. This is for just the screen. But you want to make sure your microphone is enabled. When you're ready, you'll hit record. Your desktop, the middle button should be highlighted. You'll hit record. You'll click right here, you kind of just want your whole screen recorded, and then you'll hit the blue button share. Okay, then a countdown will come up, and now it is recording your screen. So you can go through everything that you want to do and explain it for your students. When you're done, at the bottom here, there's a blue button that says stop sharing. So after you are done, I think there's a 5-minute limit for the free version. Just be aware of that. You can do more than one, but I think the length can only be up to 5 minutes. So when you're done, you'll hit stop sharing. It'll automatically save to your drive. So when this pops up, this is where I usually click on Untitled and I change the title. So I'll just call this practice. And then I'll hit enter, and now it'll automatically save. So I usually just X out of this window, and then you can head back to your drive, and a folder will be created that says Screencastify. So here's my folder, Screencastify. So you'll open up Screencastify, and this is where you will have all of your recordings automatically saved. So this is the one I just did. Okay, so here it is. So if I want, and it'll kind of show up, and now it is recording your screen. Okay, so that's what I just did. If you want to post it on Google Classroom, it's very simple. You just have to tap on it to share. Okay, you can go to advanced. I have it as private. You can, however you want to change the link setting. If you want anyone to be able to access it, make sure you change your link setting and then save. Okay, then you will get your link. You can get your shareable link. Okay, I think I had it off to share. Oh, my share settings are off. Okay, there it is. Copy my link. Then I can go to Google Classroom. And then just as you would create an assignment, you can add the link right in here. You could even just drag it in from your drive. And as you can see, it says practice video right here, and then you can assign it for the kids to view. Once you're done, then you just go back, and then everything will save automatically in your Screencastify folder, so you'll always have access to it. Okay, I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions.